Start. Hello everyone, good evening. I am Pratik Priyaranjan Pradhan. I am a PhD, second year PhD student in aerospace engineering at IIT Kanpur, and I am the TA for the course Control System de-09 for this semester. And today we will be discussing few of the problems which are in the week 0 section of the course. So these are the very basic prerequisite questions. So the first question was what are the roots for the polynomial s square plus 2s plus 2? So this is a very basic question. You might be knowing the answer, how to approach it. So we know for any function, any polynomial f of x, if we need to find the roots of the polynomial, we just need to equate it with 0. So here the polynomial is in the form s square plus 2s plus 2. So equating it with 0, we can find out the s1, s2 are minus 2 plus or minus b square is 4. So we solving it the problem will find by 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. So it will be minus 1. So we can take it as j as well, plus j minus 1 minus j. So these are the two solutions. So we know this is the correct answer. Simple. So, so coming to the second question, this is the question is given as the solution to the ordinary differential equation y dash of t is equal to 3 y of t, given the initial conditions are given as y of 0 is equal to 2. So we can write it as dy by dt is equal to 3 y of t. That means we can write it as dt is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into dy of t by y of t. So we can directly integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, we can get t is equal to 1 by 3 ln y of t plus c. So if we want, we can write it as, we can integrate like the c. We can write c as ln some constant k. We can write it 3t is equal to ln k dash of yt. So we can write y dash y of t is equal to e to the power 3t into e to the power 3t 1 divided by 1 by k dash. So what is the value of k dash? We can find it using the initial condition. So y of 0 is equal to 2. That means we can put 2 is equal to 1 by k dash. So k dash is equal to 1 by 2. So we get k dash is equal to 1 by 2. So our solution will be y of t is equal to 2 into e to the power 3t. So the correct answer will be this. So now coming to the third question, which is also a question from the ordinary differential equation, but now the form of the problem, the differential equation is different, which is y dash of t is plus y of t is equal to 3. So this is a linear differential equation. So you might remember, you might not. So I will just briefly give you some flashback kind of thing. So we know, like, if the problem statement is in the form y dash plus p of x into y, which is equal to some q of x. This is the form. I'm not going much details into the derivation of the formula. So the solution will be it consisting of a integral factor, which is nothing but e to the power integration of p of x. Um, then this is basically this is dy by dx. It's in the form of dy by dx. So this the dependent variable are of same type. So into dx, then the solution will be y into integral factor is equal to integration of q of x into integral factor. So here the integral factor is nothing but 1. So directly we can write the integral factor is equal to e to the power integration of 1t, which is nothing but 1 dt, 1 dt. So the integral factor will be 1t, so t. So y of t into e to the power t is equal to integration of 3 into e to the power t. So this will be so So, and solution will be y of t is equal to e to the power minus t into the integration of this will be 3 e to the power t plus some constant k. So the solution y of t is equal to e to the power, sorry, this will be simply 3 plus k into e to the power minus t. So what is the value of k? We can find out from the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 0. So just putting the y of 0 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 3 plus k. So that means k is equal to minus 3. So the solution will be y of t is equal to using this we can get is 3 minus 3 e to the power minus 2. So the solution will be this way. Okay. Then coming to the last problem of the session. The question is fairly simple. Both the roots of the polynomial s square plus k plus 3s plus 2k minus 4. The question is s square plus k plus 3 into s plus 2k minus 4. Okay, so this is equal to 0, the roots of the polynomial. So let's find out what are the roots of the polynomial. So s1 comma s2 is equal to minus k1 k plus 3 plus or minus k plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 into 2k minus 4 whole divided by 2. So the question is the where k is a real valued parameter would have negative real part for all. So we can see whatever the contribution of the we will just check k plus 3 divided by 2 plus or minus this. What is this? K square plus 9 plus 6k minus 8k plus 16 divided by 2. This will be my k plus 3 whole divided by 3. Very difficult example. Okay, back to question. So now what we can see is we can take this expression as minus a plus or minus root b. So a where a is minus sorry a is equal to k plus 3, and b is the expression k square plus uh, 25 minus 2k. Okay, so if we plot this b, okay, then what with respect to k, then what we will get is we will get a plot which is above 0. So that means this value b is always positive. So b, with b greater than 0, we can take okay, let's assume root b is equal to c. So a plus minus a plus or minus c. Now what we want is we want this term to be whole less than or equal to 0. So our first condition is uh, so now look at this expression carefully. So if my a itself is negative, then definitely, because c is a positive quantity, so definitely then it will be a positive quantity, what we don't want. So I can say minus k plus 3 needs to be negative, sorry, positive. This is this needs to be negative. Pardon, I beg your pardon. So this needs to be negative. So that means k is greater than minus 3 from this expression. So this option is eliminated. So another expression for the value of k we can get is our a needs to be greater than c. That means a square needs to be greater than c square, uh, which is our b. Basically, c square is b. That means uh, what is our a square? The k plus 3 whole square is greater than our b is k square minus 2k plus 25. So solving this problem will get the answer, this k is greater than 2, that you can try by yourself.